Rewrite the ellipse in standard form. This is terrible. Basically, what we have to do is we have to move everything to the left side except for the number, which moves to the right side, and do like this double completing the square process. It's bad, but let's do it. Okay, let's add y squared to both sides like so. Let's add 2x squared to both sides like so. Let's add 8x to both sides like so. Let's leave that there. Let's subtract 52 from both sides, and it's a mess. Let's write out all of our x information first. We have 2x squared. We have 8x, leave some space. We have y squared. We have negative 16y, leave some space, equals negative 52. All right. This is where things get a little wonky. What I need to do is I need to do completing the square. Completing the square only works when you have nothing in front of x squared. So why don't I do this? Let's do the easy part first. Let's do the y's first to bring it all back. Okay? Nothing in front of y squared, hooray. Take half the number in front of your y. Half of negative 16 is negative 8. Square that and add that to both sides. That gives you plus 64 plus 64. Now that allows me to take that, okay, and make it y minus 8 squared, because it's a perfect square trinomial. What I have to do with this guy is I need to factor out a 2 first, which doesn't seem bad. Okay, and it's not too bad, but you'll see a confusing thing that happens in a minute. Okay? All right, now that x squared is alone, take half of 4, which is 2, square that, and add that in. So you get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now that's attached to a 2 that's here. So if I were to add stuff to both sides, I'm not adding 4 to both sides, I'm adding 4 times 2, which is 8 to both sides. So now this turns into 2x plus 2 squared. All right, so let's drop down everything else that we have. 2 times x plus 2 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals negative 20 or 42, or negative 52 plus 64 is 12, plus 8 is 20. That's not pretty at all. Now, ellipses are supposed to be equal to 1. So the last step that I'm going to take is divide everything by that 20 so that it is equal to 1. 2 over 20 is 10, so the left part becomes x plus 2 squared over 10. This guy doesn't change, plus y minus 8 squared over 20 equals 1. Definitely not the prettiest process in the world. Not at all, not even close. No thank you.